Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's math tutorial, we shall be resolving 3x minus 5 over 2x squared minus 7x minus 22 into partial fractions. To resolve an algebraic fraction or a rational function into partial fractions simply means that we want to find the fractions that actually add up to give a single fraction. That is, in this case, we are looking for fractions of the form a over ax plus b over cx plus d that actually add up to give the single fraction. Now, to be able to do this, we need to check the denominator of this rational function to see if we can factor it. Now, to factor this, we shall be considering the first term and the last term because the leading coefficient of the first term is not 1. And the product of this is negative 44x squared. Then we want to look for the factors of negative 44x squared that will actually add up to negative 7x. These factors are positive 4x and negative 11x. And now that we have the factors, the quadratic expression can be written as follows. We have 2x squared plus 4x minus 11x and minus 22, where we do double grouping so that from the first group we can factor 2x with x plus 2 in parentheses, and from the second group we can factor negative 11 with x plus 2 also left in parentheses. Now x plus 2, which is common, is factored out. Then that is to be multiplied by 2x minus 11. Therefore, the rational function 3x minus 5 over 2x squared minus 7x minus 22 can be written as 3x minus 5 over x plus 2 and 2x minus 11 as the factors of the denominator. Then to find the partial fractions, we can write the 3x minus 5 over x plus 2, 2x minus 11 as a over x plus 2 plus b over the second factor, 2x minus 11. Now our aim is to find the constants a and b. But before we proceed, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please click on the subscribe button now and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can get updates from this channel. Then the lowest common denominator is actually the product of the factors x plus 2 times 2x minus 11, which when the partial fractions are expressed as equivalent fractions, we have a times 2x minus 11 plus b times x plus 2. Now comparing the left hand side and the right hand side, since we have the same thing in the denominators, we can actually equate the numerators, meaning that we have 3x minus 5 to be equivalent to a times 2x minus 11 plus b times x plus 2. One fast and simple way to get in the values of a and b is to use the cover-up method. In this method, we will try to make a 0 and also make b 0. And how is that going to be possible? The factor multiplying a, which is 2x minus 11. We set it to 0 so as to know the value of x that will actually make the expression in the parentheses 0 and thereby making a 0. And this is 2x equals to 11, where x is just 11 over 2. Therefore, we set x to be 11 over 2. And we substitute the value of x, 11 over 2, into the equation, which is 3 times 11 over 2 minus 5. And that would be a times the product of 2 and 11 over 2 minus 11, then plus b times 11 over 2 plus 2. So that we have 33 over 2 minus 5 on the left hand side. On the right hand side, we have a times 11 minus 11, as 2 times 11 over 2 is 11, and it is b times 11 over 2 plus 2. 33 over 2 minus 5 gives 23 over 2. Why 11 minus 11 is 0 times a, means that a is eliminated, and 11 over 2 plus 2 is 15 over 2, which is 15 over 2b. And since we have both 2 in the denominators, we can cancel them out. That simply means that 15b is equal to 23, and b is just 23 over 15. Then going back to this place, in order to eliminate b in the cover-up method, we are going to set x to be negative 2, so that b can also be 0. And when we do, we have 3 times negative 2 minus 5, and on the right it is a times the product of 2 and negative 2 minus 11, while it is b times the negative 2 minus plus 2, such that this is negative 6 minus 5, while we have a times negative 4 minus 11, and it is b times 0, which is actually going to be 0. Hence, negative 11 is equal to negative 15a, where we divide by negative 15. So dividing by negative 15, we have a to be equal to 11 over 15. Now that we have the constant, a is 11 over 15, and b is 23 over 15. We are going to plug these values into the partial fractions that we formed earlier on. And that simply means that our original equation, 3x minus 5 over 2x squared minus 7x minus 22 will be equal to a as 11 over 15 over 2x minus 11, plus b, which is 23 over 15, and that over x plus 2. From the numerators, we have 1 over 15 as a common factor, so we can factor out 1 over 15, while we have 11 over 2x minus 11, plus 23 over x plus 2. This is the partial fraction that actually add up to 3x minus 5 over 2x squared minus 7x minus 22. I believe you find this video interesting and educative. Please let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like and share this video. If you're yet to subscribe, here is an opportunity to subscribe to my channel for more math tutorials. And as I see you again in my next video, I say thank you for watching this one, and bye.